A simple interest problem needs the relationship I interest equals P, the principal, times the rate times the time. And when we talk about annual interest, T will equal 1. And then our relationship interest I equals the principal times the rate. The problem. Ed won a lottery prize. He invested part of the money in an account paying 2% interest. He invested $300 more than that amount in an account paying 3% interest. His annual interest income, how much money he got from the bank for investing his money, was $34. How much did he invest at each rate? So on our table, the amount invested is P. We have our interest rate, R, and the interest for the year. So right off the bat, we can fill in our table with the interest rates. We had 2%, and writing that 2% as a decimal is 0.02 or 200ths. 3% is 0.03 or 300ths. Now, the amount invested in dollars. We don't know anything about the amount he invested at the 2%. So we will assign our variable x to the amount that he invested at 2%. He invested $300 more than that amount in the account paying 3% interest. So that dollar amount will be represented by x plus 300. Now the last column is the interest for 1 year. So we're going to take our principal P times the rate will equal the interest. So we'll multiply across the first row 0.02x, and then we'll multiply across the second row 0.03 times x plus 300. So what we need to do here is we need to take the interest from the 2% account, add that to the interest from the 3% account, and that will equal the total interest. So now we can write the equation. All right. The interest from the 2% account is 0.02x. The interest for the 3% account is 0.03 times x plus 300. And that equals the total interest. The total interest that he earned was $34. So this will equal 34. So solving this equation, the first step will be to distribute the 0.03 to remove the parentheses. So we'll have 0.03x plus 300 times 0.03 is 9 equals 34. So we have our equation, two sides, combining like terms. You'll have 0.05x plus 9 equals 34. Then you need to subtract 9. So we have 0.05x equals 25. Divide both sides of the equation by 0.05, and x will equal $500. This is the amount invested at 2%. What is the amount invested at 3%? That will be our x plus 300, or 500 plus 300 equals $800. This is invested at 3%.